Hi y'all. I realized I haven't done a video on the beach, which is one of our pieces of beauty here in Santa Barbara. I know my mountain view is pretty amazing, but this ain't so bad either. So there's a cruise ship out there, like right there. This time of year they start coming like once a week. And then they'll stop in the spring so the local tourists can clog our streets up. There's the wharf over there, or the pier, full of overpriced stores and restaurants. A couple of the restaurants are pretty good though. And beyond that is the wharf with some more overpriced stores and restaurants. And some of them aren't bad. And the marina's there. You have to pay a huge amount and to get into the marina, and there's like a 100-year waiting list. And you see a lot of people just dock out here in the water. Yeah, check it out. Anyway, sun's in my eyes, so I can't tell what kind of view you have. And way down there is Ventura, down by those mountains. And yeah, this is our pretty beach, and it's too cold to go swimming, at least for me. I'm used to the Gulf Coast with nice warm Gulf of Mexico waters. But that's it. And mountain view behind the city. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.